Hello, today I'm going to show you how to program the water temperature of your KitchenAid espresso machine. To change the pre-programmed water temperature, we toggle the mode button to select espresso. Then we can see that's the first button on the left side, where we can choose between the toggle mode espresso, steam and water, and we switch to espresso because this is the option to program the water temperature. Then the next step is we are now pressing and holding this button for 3 seconds. The indicator lights will show the default factory settings, or of course the previous saved setting. In this case, on this machine, we are now in medium, okay? The water temperature is the medium way. We can switch to low and high too, that's no prob, okay? We toggle the mode button between low, mid or high to select the desired temperature. And then we have 2 options to save. The first thing is we wait a little bit, okay? We wait for 10 seconds and then it will be saved and programmed. What? We edit it, okay? Or the other step is we press the button. Job's done. That's easy, or isn't it? You will see the indicator lights will show the default settings, or of course the previous saved settings. We can program it by pressing and hold the toggle for 3 seconds. Then we are in temperature mode. Then we can switch between low, medium and high. Then we press the play or wait 10 seconds. Job's done. And our water will be hot or medium or low temperatured. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.